I am going, here we are on Capitol Reef. I am going to go that way on that trail to go charge some cotton on Hickman Natural Bridge. All right. Okay, on the trail to Hickman Bridge, you can see that I'm going to be leaving the red rock and getting up into the yellow rock very soon. Here I am on one of the switchbacks looking back to where I came. As soon as I get done climbing, I'll take out the cotton, but I'm already starting to charge the cotton. Using my hiking pole makes the climb a little easier. Okay, climbed up from the road. And now I'm going to be up here. I'm going to get my cotton out and start charging it now that I'm done. And the whole purpose of this walk was to charge cotton at Hickman Bridge and document the journey, and I forgot the cotton. So I'm going to just do a healing for everybody that's put their names in the Facebook group tomorrow. I'm just going to start that right now because I don't really need cotton for that. So I'm going to tune in to the rock energy, the stone energy, time. You can see the volcanic rock there. You can see all these little volcanic rocks here scattered around. Yeah. So change of plans, and I always try to bring mistakes or like unexpected turns of events into the healing rather than feeling like they interfered with it. So I guess I'm gonna be healing all of you. So that's nice. Okay, so this place is grand, majestic. That's just the word to describe it. Now, I don't know where this bridge is. I know we're close. Looks like we go downhill for a while. So that should be interesting. Let's see where that goes. The trail, and I come to this thing, which was put there in 1947. And it's just some sort of survey marker. All right, and the trail continues. Oops, that's my hiking pole falling down. Where is it? There it is. Okay, I think I can see the bridge. I think that's it, right? Where is it? Can't see what I'm... There we go, right in there. Maybe that's it. Looks sort of like a bridge. Nope. Yeah, that place that you can see the trees, the sunlight through. I'm looking at Hickman Bridge in Capitol Reef National Park. And I think the trail will take me right through there, but you probably won't. This is probably the best photo. All right, so I started the healing a long time ago. And you know how we sometimes pass through a veil and go into a different dimension? My intention is that as I go under that bridge, that something cleans. And as if by magic, the sun came out. Like wild applause for this intention. Approaching the underside of Hickman Bridge. Wishing I had a GoPro or something so that I could... Oh. There we go. Okay, standing right under it. Doing the deed. I'm the other side of the bridge and I'm feeling the shift. It's like I was starting the healing and now I've received it in an instant and I'm sort of basking in it as I walk along the trail back to the van. Okay, I think this is the top. Letting the sun and the sky beings support my intention for healing. When I look at that formation there, it's almost like it's smiling at me. The rocks are cooperating with the healing of the people in the Facebook group that have submitted their names. It's as if all of nature is gladly smiling on us. This is a national park, so there's a lull in the crowd. It's such a perfect time of year to be here, but sometimes I get a quiet spot where there's nobody around. And I'm just feeling the wish of healing for the people and pets that are in this week's Facebook group. Or you can actually piggyback on this, and if you're watching this video later, you can just let these rocks help you too. They really hold space for love, for healing. And the earth does support us. And I can feel the support of that earth. There we go. You can see this volcanic rock behind me, scattered here and there. You can see how the rocks were formed. It feels like karma. It feels like, you can just sort of see the whole history of the earth right here in this spot on Capitol Reef. There we go. Oh, it's windy. My hat looks terrible. Here we go. There we go. Better. That's better, right? Okay, good. Yeah. Okay, the wind is picking up and I'm almost back to the car. I'm going to try to get a photo of Annie. Before you get all nervous, yes, she's been in the car. They don't let dogs on the national park trails. So, I've taken pictures when it was sunny, but it's been overcast a lot. I've got fans, I've got vents, I've got everything. I'm positive that she's fine. So, came at a time of day, it's the whole thing, so I wouldn't hurt my dogs, but she misses me and I miss her, so I'm looking forward to seeing her in a few minutes. That's the Fremont River. That's the parking lot. Okay. Approaching the parking lot. I need a gimbal. Sorry for the wiggling. Here's the bathroom. And there's Big Blue. Right over there. Let's see if I can zoom in. There's my van. All right, let's see if I can capture this reunion. Hey, Annie. Annie girl. Annie girl. Hi, sweetie. Hi, sweetie. Hi. Hi, sweetie. I'm happy to see you. Oh, you were so sleepy. You were sound asleep. Yes, you were sound asleep. Yes. Yes. Yes, my good girl. Such a good girl. Such a good doggy. Yes. All right. Okay.